Hello, hi Anna. All right, so we are going to briefly. Okay, so one of the page I would like to add on for the primary and secondary proposal. Okay, so is that we need a page where we show the setup. Okay, so the title puts 1 hour set up time. Okay, so remember there are going to be four characters, right? Each character with a store. Okay, and then there will be a Western. Okay, so for the Western and Chinese, okay, so their stores will be a lot more elaborated. Okay, now I have put it over here. Okay, the link, but very likely the link is not going to work. Okay, so you can just search for any of it like that. Okay, so you can see, it's easy to fold. Okay, so we just need to fold it and then set up the top. Okay, so hopefully it's going to be easy. All right, so you should show those that like below we can have a cloth to show what we are actually doing. Okay, so okay, you can try searching for Google Images or something like that. Okay, so this is going to be the Chinese and Western store. Okay, so for Indian store, it will just be one table. It will be very simple. All right, and then for the Malay store, okay, so it's going to be like satay. Okay, so this is one of the local dish. Okay, so you can see, the people usually just sit by the roadside with a tray. Okay, and there will be charcoal, and then they are going to cook meat. Right, so this is going to be a satay man. Okay, so you can just, I have put the link as well. Okay, so it just be something like that. Okay, so we can put charcoal over here, and then there will be burning. Right, so you can just write, uh, okay, so you can just write the. Okay, I put a link for you, but yeah, this link you might need to register, so you might as well just look for something else. Okay, so this is the Malay store one. Okay, so SATAY. Okay, so now I will also like to put a bit of fake fire. Okay, so like this kind of fake flyer. Okay, it's actually just this light with okay, just light. Okay, so it will be something like that. Let's see if there is video. Okay, there isn't a video. Okay, you can just look for this. Yeah, this one is too big. Okay, let's try this. Okay, okay, you have the video as well. Oh yeah, okay, yeah. So it's just something like that. It's actually just light and papers. Okay, so we will just have, and then the wind, the base there's going to blow wind as well. Okay, so to simulate fire, right? So it's just going to be something like that. Okay, uh, okay. So yeah. Okay, so we can write down the costumes as well. Okay, so okay, so Indian it will just be a table, and satay they will be like this and sitting on the floor. Okay, so you can see, so we'll get a stool. Okay, and then something like that. Okay, just the simple tray, and then he'll be sitting on the floor. Right. So for costume wise, yes. So the guy will be wearing a t-shirt with this kind of like skirt. Okay, it's called sarong. Okay, yeah, this is how you spell. Okay, for sarong. Okay, and then the Indian man will be singlet. Okay, so yeah, you can see. Okay, so he'll be wearing an apron. Okay, an apron, and then a worn out t-shirt. Okay, so he will be wearing a singlet with a apron. Okay, singlet. Yeah, singlet. So singlet. Okay, so the singlet is going to be okay, something like this. Okay, but it's going to be Indian. Okay, so in Singapore, Indians they like to wear this. Okay, so with an apron. Okay, no, I think no apron. Okay, just this kind of shirt with a pair of long pants. Okay, so this is going to be the Indian guy. Okay, so the Chinese, so the Western is going to be a chef. Okay, traditional chef uniform. Okay, so maybe a little bit more like that. Okay, so the Western one he's going to be wearing a chef clothes, and the Chinese one, okay, so he will be more like a traditional wear. Okay, maybe something like that. Yeah. Okay, so something like that. It's going to be what do you call? Okay, and then the girl he will be wearing Western dress. Okay, so it's going to be Chinese. I can't remember what is it called. Overlap. Shirt. Chinese. Hawker. Chinese shirt. Chinese. Fully. Something like that. Okay, so you can say search for COOLIE. Okay, I spell wrongly. So it will be something like that. Okay, so with a cloth over here hanging. Okay, so it will be something like that. Okay. Okay, yeah. Okay, so something like that, something along the line over here. Okay, so without the hat. So yeah, so Chinese will be wearing something like that with a white t-shirt inside. All right, and then the Western will be Western tourist in Singapore. Okay, it will be a little bit long dress. Okay, so something like this. Okay, so something like this, a long dress. Okay, yeah, so very striking long dress. Yeah, so just now that peach. Okay, so these are okay as well. Okay, so long a long dress will do. Okay, so yeah, so this is good as well. This looks good. Maybe with a tourist hat. Okay, so this is okay too. So long is more like a Western girl. All right, can really counts on you, Anna. Thank you so much. Okay, so we will have one page on costume and the other page on the store. All right, so okay, so once again, the food will be okay. So let me just type it here. Okay, food store. Okay, so food store will be okay Malay satay. Okay, Indian prata. Okay, so Malay satay. Okay, so Western fast food. Okay, so Chinese food store. Okay, just put Chinese food. Okay, Chinese food is uh yeah, I don't know how to explain. Chinese cooking. Okay, just put Chinese Chai fan. Okay, so this is a mixed veggie rice store. Okay, so Chai fan is it's they lay a lot of okay, so it's like they will lay a lot of dishes over here, so you just select the type of dish that you want. Okay, so Chinese we will do that. Okay, so we'll put all this first. All right, so thanks so much, Anna.